it's How To Not To. Today I'm going to show you how to fix drainage problems with your front load washing machine. Of late my Whirlpool washing machine has been giving me a few problems with draining issues, and as you can hear, the washing machine doesn't sound good, especially when it does a full speed spin. This usually indicates a part has become worn out or loose. So if the loud noise only happens when the washer is in a spin mode, this can be a sign that the main tub bearing is worn out. And over time water seeps through the seal and rusts the bearings, and the rusted bearings are the main cause of the loud noise that you can hear when the washer is spinning. So the washing machine bearings are usually good for around 10 years before they need to be replaced. So the washing machine can last for a while with the noisy bearings, but eventually the bearings will go completely, leaving a non-functioning washer. You might be better off buying a new washing machine than to spend the money to fix it. So it's only a matter of time before the Whirlpool is no more. I also have another problem with my washer. It hasn't drained all the water from the washing machine, and as you can see there is some water still left in the drum. So if you have water still left in your washing machine drum, this could be caused by a clogged pump or hose. It's common for like small socks or small objects left in the pocket to get into the water drain system and clog the hose leading to the pump or the pump itself. If the washer won't drain, the lid switch assembly might be defective. Okay, first thing to do is drain the pump, which can be found at the front of your front load washing machine, down the bottom, and using this screwdriver I'm just going to pry the cover open. And then grab yourself some towels, sponge, anything that can catch the water. Like a small container as well. So I'm going to open the pump. To open the pump, just turn this anti-clockwise, and you want to do this gently, a bit at a time. So I'm just going to open it, and as you can see, a lot of water is starting to spill out. So just make sure you do have something underneath to catch the water. And I'm just going to try and empty this carefully as I can into a larger bucket, which I have here. And this is going to take some time to do. I think what I'm going to do first is bring the bucket closer to the washing machine, and using a jug, I'm going to start to empty the water from the washing machine drum into the bucket. It's going to be less messy doing it that way and far quicker. But you might not have this option, as sometimes the washing machine stops mid-cycle and you can't get the door open. So in that case, you would need to drain the water at the front of the washing machine. I was lucky enough to get the door open. So using this smaller container, I'm going to use this to remove the water, and I'm nearly there. Okay, I've now drained as much water as I can from the drum. I'm just going to soak up anything left with this sponge. So I will now continue to drain the rest of the water from the pump. So I'm going to continue to drain the water from the front of the washing machine until it's completely drained, and I'm going to do this as gently as possible. Does it? Okay, there's no more water coming out. What you can see there is this blue liquid substance coming out, which is a product I used called Surface It by Dr. Beckman, which helps clean wash machines. And I'm not sure if I should have used it now, but there doesn't seem to be any objects in there. The last time we had a peanut that got stuck in the filter pump, and another time I think it was Peppa Pig. This time only this gooey blue liquid is starting to come out. Could this be the culprit? To be continued. Taking a towel, I'm just going to dry the inside. And I'm also going to give the filter a good clean with using a toothbrush. Okay, pop the filter back in and turn clockwise, and it's all done. The rubber around the door does need a good clean as well. Looks like a build-up of tissue, and I don't know what that is, hay. I have done a video on how to clean your wash machine. If you want to see that video, I will leave a link at the end of this video. So that's a video on cleaning the rubber seal, the dispenser, drawer and the pump, etc. And taking a towel again, I'm just going to clean the inside of the rubber seal, ensuring it's completely clean and dry. Just make sure before you load the wash machine to empty anything left in the pockets. This will prevent any blockages. I would recommend cleaning your wash machine every 3 to 6 months to keep it in good health. And while I'm cleaning my wash machine, yet another regular visitor has landed in my garden. This is Tom, the Gurgle. And I'm just going to feed him and I'll be right back. Okay, and this is not how to do it. There is something else that happened whilst I used my wash machine, which was unfortunate. The plug melted, which isn't good. This was because it was plugged into the extension lead, not into the wall directly. This is because the wall plug was damaged, caused by water spillage. This couldn't be used at the time, so we temporarily put in the extension lead. And this was meant to be a temporary solution until it was fixed. Because it caused no problems, we forgot about it and continued to use the extension lead. And as you can see, this was a stupid thing to do. Wash machines draw a large amount of electrical current to operate and will eventually overheat. So generally speaking, using an extension cord for your wash machine should be avoided at all costs. So as the washing machine plug was completely damaged, the plug had to be removed, which was difficult to do as the plug was moulded onto the cable. Example, it's got no screws to remove it. So what I had to do, cut the end of the moulded plug and replace it with another plug. Okay, the plug has been replaced. As you can see, I've now got the washing machine plugged directly into the wall socket, and I'm now going to do a test. I'm not going to load the washing machine with clothes. What I'm going to do is just do a delicate wash cycle, just to test the plug is working fine. So far so good. The plug hasn't overheated, it's fine. So please note that doing this, removing the plug head, voids your warranty. So I wouldn't recommend doing this. But as my wash machine is very old, it doesn't affect me in any way. Okay, this test was okay. And it hasn't overheated. The wash machine worked fine. No draining problems. If you found this video helpful, please click on the like button and you know the rest. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell, because in my next video I will be doing a box opening. Yes, a box opening. It's going to be a surprise. So please come back to my channel, click on that notification bell, and like I said, it's a surprise. Or will be revealed in my next video, which will be coming out the same time next week on Sunday. I usually get my videos out, usually Saturday or Sunday, so look out for that video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.